60 daily use small sentences. Learn English with me. Hello. I am sick. I am sick. It's raining. It's raining. Touch wood. Touch wood. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am hungry. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. Take care. Take care. How are you? How are you? How much? How much? Who's next? Who's next? Not this time. Not this time. Hurry up. Hurry up. Listen to me. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. I don't know. I don't know. What's the weather today? What's the weather today? How old are you? How old are you? Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? How is your family? How is your family? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm tired. I'm tired. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? We are going out today. We are going out today. What did you eat? What did you eat? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? Let's go shopping today. Let's go shopping today. You are very bad. You are very bad. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Read a book. Read a book. You are very good. You are very good. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. What time will you be home? What time will you be home? I am sad today. I am sad today. It's sunny outside. It's sunny outside. We are going out today. We going out today. Who's cooking today? Who's cooking today? I am upset today. I am upset today. Set the table. Set the table. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. No problem. No problem. Shut up. Shut up. Be happy. Be happy.